Hey YouTube, I have another lawnmower find. I went out garbage picking this afternoon and I found this guy on the curb. It's a Craftsman. It needs some work done. I'll show you a little bit closer inspection of this mower. Follow me. It is a Craftsman 4.75 horsepower Briggs & Stratton 22-inch push mower. No bag. It's had both the back and the front wheels replaced. The front wheels are ball bearing. These wheels actually look like brand new Lawn Boy wheels to me, and they look too small too. I think if you look at the deck, it looks like it's a little bit low in the back. And I don't think that's the height adjusters. No, it's not. Kind of funny, when I found this, there was a note on the handlebar. Take me, hit a rock, replaced pin, still won't start. I took off the air filter when I gave it my first look over. It actually looks pretty good. This is the blade that they hit the rock. It's kind of beat up on both sides. And the blade adapter was broken. I'll go show you that. Here is that blade adapter that was on this mower. And if you look here, this is where the keyway should be, and it's gone. It has sheared the keyway in the blade adapter. It's pretty smooth there. So that's no good. So I'll show you what I've done so far. And underneath the mower, just to test this thing and hear it go putt-putt, I replaced it with, this is actually the blade adapter for a Toro personal pace. It fits this shaft amazingly. And I put on the recycler gator blade for a Toro. The crankshaft is straight also, which I was surprised about. So I'll show you what it does. It has a lot of fuel in it. And it does have oil in it. I did wipe that stick because I had this tilted backwards. But the oil looks decent. And I'll just try to show you the primer. I think you can see it. It does work. It does prime fuel. So now I'll show you what it does when I try to start it. And I'm going to take a rag, wrap it around my hand when I pull the starter rope. I think you could hear and see it there. It backfires out of the air filter housing. So I imagine it's got a sheared flywheel key. And I know his letter says he replaced a pin. I'm not sure if he actually tried to replace the flywheel key or not. Remains to be seen. But that's probably where I'm going to start first here. I I did also check the spark plug. It looked okay. It looked good enough for testing purposes. So I wanted to show you what I found. It's the Quantum Briggs, the engine I like. It's got spark. It's getting fuel. The timing just looks like it's not quite right. So stay tuned to a future video and we'll dig in and see if we can fix it. Thanks for watching.